So basically they put this egg in this batter and that's how they fry it. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. So guys, today I'm here with a new vlog, right? I'm in an environment called ये जगह का नाम क्या है? Molali. Okay, so guys, I'm in an environment called Molali here in the street of Kolkata, right? So the environment looks like this, right? That's the busy road there, and here we are, right? And this brother here is selling this chop, right? It's called the chop. So I'm gonna, show it to you the way he makes the chop, right? Let's explore this place. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, you know what to do. Please subscribe. So let's explore this place, and I'm going to show you the different authentic, street food that you get here in the street of Kolkata. Let's explore. Right guys, so as I said it, right, I'm in an environment called Molali, right? That's the busy road there. And this brother is sitting right over here, okay, he's selling the chop. In Bengali, in Kolkata, it's called the chop. So, hello dada, how are you? Kero macho apni?
Alu chop.
Kero machen, aap kaisa ho? Aap kaisa ho? Apni kero machen? Bhalo achi, he's fine. I was trying to ask him how is he in Bengali. In Bengali, you say kero machen means how are you? Well, now guys, look. So he has all different kind of fried items here. Okay, this one is made out of coriander leaves, right? This is made out of different spinach as well, right? That's the fulori, right? It's made out of grams, right? You mince the gram, and this is the eggplant, right? It's made out of eggplant. This is the vegetable chop. It's made out of different vegetables in it, like red beets and carrots and things like that. And this is the chop. It's made out of potato. So what they do is they flatten the potato and they put that in the batter, and that's how they fry that in the oil. And this is the egg chop, right? It's made out of egg. So this is how it is, guys. Look guys. So well, now in this one, they have all the different items here. Look guys. So they give you this tomato, tomato chop. So they will put that potato in this tomato, and oh sorry, the chingri. Okay, this is made out of prawn. Look guys, that's the prawn chop. It's called the chop here on the street of Kolkata. So this is that's all egg. It's the egg chop there, right? So they have all different items here. They will deep fry that in that oil there, right? It's crazy. Now look guys. So this brother right now is making this prawn chop. It's called the chingri. Here in the street of Kolkata, it's called the chingri. Look guys. So he took that, he put the potato in it, and he put that in this batter here, and that's how they deep fry that in that oil, right? It's crazy. Look guys. And this one you see, right? This is the onion is made out of onion, and basin. Basin is made out of grams. So this is how it is, guys. Look. So I'm gonna lift this up to show you guys. Look guys. So that's the egg there, right? So they put that potato, right, and they're gonna put that in the batter, and they're gonna deep fry that. And that's the prawn there. This is the potato, right? That's the vegetable. This is the tomato. So this is whole different fried items you have here. So look guys. So this is how it is, guys. This is here in the street of Kolkata, right? So if you tried any of the item I just showed you guys, let me know in the comment. It's called the chop here in Kolkata, right? Basically, chop is like, I showed you, right? They put that in the batter and they deep fry it, right? So anything is fried in the oil is called chop, right? So chop is the native Bengali word that they use here in the street of Kolkata, right? So these are the fried items. They love to eat this for snacks in the evening, like in the morning. Right now the time is about 1 in the afternoon, right? It's gonna be 2 in the afternoon. So it's a month of December, right? Today is the 2nd December, right? So they love to make this and have this here in the street of Kolkata, right? So if you tried any of it, you let me know. Look guys, right now this brother is making this tomato chop. So he scraped the inner part of the tomato and he's putting that potato stuffing, right? And then what he's gonna do is he's gonna take that and put that in the batter and deep fry it. He will deep fry that in the oil. So that was it. Thank you brother, thank you for your time. Have a good day. হ্যাঁ দাদা, টাটা. Thank you দাদা, thank you. আপনি অনেক ভালো কাজ করছেন. You're doing a great job. Okay guys, that was me, your friend John, trying to show you the most authentic street food that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? If you enjoyed the vlog, you know what to do. Subscribe, smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog guys. Until then, get excited for a new video guys. Bye bye, subscribe, bye.